Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. In my last video, I gave insights on using geometry pattern in order to reduce rebuild time and improve performance. Today, I'll continue with that theme and show you how appearances can massively save both rebuild time and your actual modeling time. This is a small but powerful tip. Take this fence as an example. It's exaggerated, just to illustrate a point. Using performance evaluation, this fully modeled fence has 21 features and takes 26.38 seconds to rebuild. Sure, it looks like an easy model, but ask yourself, if the grid doesn't affect the core design, is it worth modeling? Because as we can see, it costs time and slows rebuilds. Imagine this fence in a large assembly. Maybe you only need a picture and basic dimensions like height or area inside the fence, not details of its grid. In situations like this, not everything has to be modeled. As odd as it seems, simplicity is beauty and efficiency. Instead, here's what you can do. Delete the detailed geometry and leave a thin solid plate. In the task pane, go to Appearances, Metal, Steel, and drag Chain Link Steel onto the plate. And that's it. If you want, you can tweak the appearance further. Now performance evaluation shows only 5 features and a rebuild time of 0.11 seconds. As you can see, the difference is huge. There are of course certain limitations to this approach that should be considered. One important factor is that this method depends on real-view graphics. If your system does not support real view, or if it's disabled, the appearance won't display correctly, meaning you won't see the chain link texture at all. Additionally, because this is just an appearance and not actual geometry, no design data is generated from it. You won't be able to extract information such as a weldment cut list, material volume, or precise weight. In situations where that kind of data is required, a fully modeled solution remains necessary. However, do not underestimate the power of appearances, for they can help you improve both your rebuild time and your actual modeling time if used correctly. Use them when you don't need design information. When a visual is sufficient, like marketing shots, early stage visuals, etc., or when speed is crucial. Appearances like chain link, tread plate, or cosmetic hole patterns exist for exactly this reason. And that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have better methods or other tips, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. I'll see you in the next video.